Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical bed frame, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from bed frame, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bed frame from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lifezone Queen Bed Frame with 2-tier storage headboard metal platform bed frame. Upgrade your bedroom with the Lifezone Queen Bed Frame, a perfect blend of functionality, comfort, and modern style. This metal platform bed features a 2-tier storage headboard with a built-in charging station, including 2 AC outlets, a USB port, and a Type-C port, so you can power all your devices conveniently. Customize your space with the built-in RGB LED lights, controlled via remote or mobile app, to create the perfect vibe for any mood. Need more storage? No problem. With 4 sliding drawers, this frame offers plenty of room for clothes, linens, and more. Its squeak-resistant design features a mute sponge bar for quiet, restful nights, while the all-metal construction and 11 reinforced slats ensure excellent support, holding up to 800 helds with ease. Finished in vintage brown with an industrial flair, this bed frame brings both style and substance to your space. Smart, strong, and stunning, Lifezone delivers the ultimate bedroom upgrade. Number 2. Mellow Naturalista Classic 12-inch solid wood platform bed with wooden slats. Transform your bedroom with the Mellow Naturalista Classic 12-inch solid wood platform bed, the perfect blend of natural beauty and sturdy design. Crafted with solid wood and classic wooden slats, this bed offers strong, stable support. No box spring needed. Its organic rustic charm shines through the clean silhouette and rich natural wood grain, adding warmth and simplicity to any space. Easy to assemble and squeak-free, it's built to last and designed for comfort. With plenty of underbed clearance, it's great for storage bins and maximizing space. Whether you're upgrading your room or furnishing on a budget, this frame is a reliable, affordable alternative to basic metal options, without sacrificing style or strength. Just follow the straightforward assembly instructions and enjoy a beautiful, long-lasting platform bed that looks way more expensive than it is. The Naturalista Classic makes getting a great night's sleep and waking up to a cozy, clutter-free room simple and satisfying. Number 3. Eshine Massage Wireless Remote Foot and Head Incline Zero-Gravity Dual USB Ports Bed Frame. Experience ultimate comfort with the Eshine Massage Wireless Remote Foot and Head Inclined Zero-Gravity Bed Frame. Designed for luxury and convenience, this king-size adjustable bed features the innovative Okin motor system, offering full-body massage with 3 intensity levels and modes, wave, pulse, and full-body vibration, for a truly relaxing experience. The head and foot incline options allow you to find your perfect position for reading, watching TV, or sleeping, while the wireless remote with 19 buttons gives you complete control over your comfort. Easy to install in just 10 minutes, this bed also comes with adjustable legs for customizable height, dual USB ports for charging devices, and underbed night lights for added convenience. With a 10-year warranty and excellent customer service, the Eshine adjustable bed frame is designed to meet your every need for relaxation and support. Upgrade your sleep experience today with the Eshine bed frame, where comfort meets technology. Number 4. Lucid L300 Adjustable Bed Frame, Head and Foot Incline Easy, 2-person assembly, wireless remote. Transform your sleep experience with the Lucid L300 Adjustable Bed Frame. Designed for convenience and comfort, this queen-size adjustable base features head and foot incline options, allowing you to customize your sleep position with ease. Whether you're reading, watching TV, or simply relaxing, this bed frame helps you find the perfect angle to suit your needs. Easy 2-person assembly makes setup a breeze, taking just minutes to go from box to bed. The dual USB charging ports keep your devices powered up, while the wireless remote offers programmable memory and a built-in flashlight for added convenience. With a 750-pound weight capacity, the L300 is compatible with most foam, latex, and hybrid mattresses and can be used as a zero-clearance base. Plus, by combining 2 twin XL bases, you can create a king-size adjustable bed offering ultimate comfort and flexibility. Elevate your sleep and enjoy relaxation your way with the Lucid L300. Number 5. Likimio King Bed Frame with 4 storage drawers. Platform bed with charged headboard. The Likimio King Bed Frame is the perfect blend of functionality and style, offering an industrial design with modern features. Built with heavy-duty metal slats, this bed frame provides sturdy support, reducing the risk of back pain and ensuring a restful night's sleep. It also features a storage headboard with outlets, making it easy to charge your devices and keep small items like phones, glasses, and books within arm's reach. The 4 spacious storage drawers help maximize space in your bedroom, keeping everything neatly organized. The vintage brown and black color and clean lines make it a versatile addition to any decor style, from modern to rustic. With a maximum weight capacity of 880 pounds, this bed frame is built to last. Easy assembly with included tools ensures a smooth setup. Upgrade your bedroom with the Likimio King Bed Frame, a practical, stylish, and durable solution for modern living. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.